cold, stone cold. You see me standing, but I'm dying on the floor. Stone cold, stone cold. Maybe if I don't cry, I won't feel anymore. Stone cold, baby. God knows I try to feel happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can't understand. I'll take the pain, give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it through. If happy's hard, I'm happy for you. Stone cold, stone cold. You're dancing with her while I'm staring at my phone.
Alright guys, so here I was about to turn right just over the highway. So the circuit here at Mirabel is 1,300 feet. So we're turning right here. Depending on the wind, sometimes it can be easy to overshoot, turn a bit late. But keep in mind I just have like 12, not even 10 hours the past month. So I guess it comes with time and practice. So at this point, when you're midway with the wind in the back, you're supposed to do your check up in. So you check everything, primer, master, fuses. Car beat, throttle, mixture, fuel on both. Keep your surrounding clear. Make sure you see traffic if there is any. Once you just pass the runway, you're decelerating. So normally I put the airplane at 1,900 RPM. So we can see my instructor here telling me to prepare myself before turning short. So normally you put some like 10-degree flaps and you can advise the tower that you're turning in short. And at this point, you're supposed to have the speed that's gonna bring you to the runway. So it's just a question of adjustment, adding throttle or removing throttle. So as you can see, I overshoot the runway big time. So I'm gonna have to compensate and come back in the inside, which is okay, but you always better try to turn at the right moment so you don't have to deal. Because when you add up many things to think about, that's when you're overwhelmed. So if you just have to go in a straight line, you don't have to worry about much. So at this point, I always keep like 70 knots and try to look at the speed. Keep your speed looking outside. I have a tendency to like do my um, I'm trying to find the term in English, but you know the when you just round up and then you look in front. Sometimes I'm just doing too fast, and now it's just gauging. So this one was a little bit rough, wasn't too smooth, and flaps up, car beat off, and it's a touch and go, so we put back the full throttle. And we're up again. So here again, turning on final for the runway. See, this time I was correctly timed. So we can see I didn't overshoot and I'm pretty much straightforward. And this landing is going to be pretty smooth. So again, keeping an eye on the speed until I have to do the run out, run, not the run, round up. L'arrondi. It's also the principle that if you want to go up, you put throttle. If you want to go down, you remove throttle. It's not with the steering. See, this time I wait, and at this point I look in front. I don't look at the speed anymore. And now it's just a question of gauging. See, that's it. Super smooth. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna leave you with some footage of that flight. Please feel free to leave a comment and tell me what I should do differently for the next videos to come. And thank you again for watching. Bye.
I was your amber, but now she's your shade of gold. So